Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on SQL Server development, ARM performance tuning, as well as Power BI and DAX, and also integration services, so that you'll get more understanding of different technologies. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported for today's report purpose. So I have imported dim date and internet sales. So only two tables I have imported. So we'll try to see the relationship between the dim data and the internet sales. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that, so I have enabled one-to-many relation between the dim date and internet sales. Even you can understand, so based on the date column from the dim date and the order date key from the internet sales, so I have just enabled between these two key columns one-to-many direction. So we'll try to explore more on in upcoming videos about a relationship that are available in the Power BI desktop, but for timing we'll try to understand today's report only. So just click on report. So now we can see that, so we are showing the last 4 weeks sales data. Okay, last 4 weeks sales data. So already I have created many videos like based on the date selection, I'm just displaying the current week or previous week, next week, previous 2 weeks, like that. So many videos I have created, but without selecting anything. So I want to display the last 4 weeks sales. Okay, last 4 weeks sales. Same kind of videos I have created like last 4 months sales data, last 4 years sales data, last 4 quarters sales data. So different kind of scenarios I have created. So I have published the videos, so please try to watch so that you will get some understanding on that. But in today's video, I'm gonna explain last 4 weeks sales data. So here you can see that, so these are the card visuals. So all are card visuals. This is the text box in this. So if you notice the data, so in my data set 2004 week 14 is the last week, 13, 12, 11. So it's working as we expected. Even you can see the data also, so that you'll get some understanding whether it is working or not. So here I have year slicer, so on table. Now we can see that, so in 2004, so these are the weeks 14, 13, 12, 11, 5. So now we are displaying last 4 weeks means 14, 13, 12, 11. So 3.99, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4. 3.99, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working as we expected. But so this case, this scenario will break if you don't have the sequence week numbers. For example, so in week 11, if you don't have week 12, so definitely we're not displaying here sales, so we'll get a blank value. So if the weeks are not in a sequence like 11, 12, 13, 14, so it will not work in this case. Okay, if the weeks are continuous within the year, you will get it correctly. But if any one of the week is missing, so we are displaying the blank. So like that I have designed this report. So in the next video I will try to publish a new video. So if the weeks are sequential or not, so we are displaying the what are the week available. Based on that we are pulling the week sales data and displaying in the report. So we'll try to see that is also. But in this video only if weeks are in a sequential manner, like so continuous weeks, then only we are going to display the report like this. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.